So welcome back to the newest video. Today we have a no-name USB charging station which promises to deliver altogether 200 watts. We will see. It says 6-port fast charger station. First port can deliver 100 watts. Second port can also deliver 100 watts, and third port can deliver maximum 20 watts, and so on. So we will see how it works. On the package there is nothing. It says only multi-port USB charging station with some GaN technology. It is compact size, it has cooling pad and smart protection, except that it can be refunded for 365 days, 24-hour support and so on, which I don't believe, but let's see what it has. It has one cable, AC cable binder, and the charger itself, and the model number is HNT PC1001, and it has multiple ports. You can see here it says the first two ports give 100 watts, third port and others give different kind of outputs. So let's see what can they give. Yeah, the first one can give a maximum of PD 100 watts, that is 20 volts at 5 ampere. Second is the same. The third one is maximum 20 watts, and single port used is A1, A2, A3 is maximum 20 watts. So let's see how much power does it needs. So to measure it, I will turn on my power station with AC, and without load it takes around 13 watts. And let's connect it to one of the here, and then we see it has gone to 14 and then gone back to 13 again. So it means that unless something is connected here, it doesn't take a lot of power itself. So it seems that it doesn't works on a pure sine wave inverter because nothing is coming out and there are no lights. So I will check with another power station. No, it works. So let's check what is the capability of its ports are. Fast charge, and let's let it detect. So the protocol is PD3, a maximum of 100 watt. Okay, somehow this thing is not compatible, but we can start with the USB-A ports, and we can see that USB-A port supports 5 volt Apple one or QC2 and 3, but no Huawei Supercharge or from other ones. Let's check other ports. The results are same. So this one can detect, and it says Qualcomm, then PD, also the Samsung, those seems to be supported. Okay, so I found out this my highly advanced or the latest USB tester Yeah, doesn't works, at least here in series. So only this one, TC66, this one works. So I will use only this one and this one too. Let's see how does it works. Yeah, here we can see it is taking around 61 watts or 62 watts of power, and here it is taking around 80 watts. If we remove it, no power, and here it reduces to 13. So itself it doesn't takes a lot of current, it seems. And the moment I connect it, it goes to 61 watts, even though the power bank says that, okay, this one is only my 65 watts, so 61 watts seems to be correct. And here it is taking 80 watts, so 61 plus 13 is around 74 watts, around 6-7 watts are used in conversion. And I'm trying to see whether it can supply 100 watts to a power bank, and it seems that it can. Around 92 watts it is getting at 19.6 volts, around 4.6 amperes, and it is taking around 112 watts. So 13 watts is the used by the inverter itself or the power station, 100 watts, so around 10% loss in the conversion. Let's see how much can it supply with the when both the ports are being used. And the moment it gets connected, the first port is still supplying the same wattage, 19.6. The second one is now reduced to around is only 20 watts. So together it should supply both 100 watts, but this is not the case. It is around 110 watts. When I have switched the ports and used 2 of the 100 watts power bank, the first one, the first port is supplying around 60 watts. The second port is supplying around 45 watts. Again, altogether 110 watts. So I believe 100 watts is the limit for both the ports, and continuously they cannot supply more than 110 watts. What about if we use all the 3 ports or the 3 ports? This time it should work. Okay, and this how I have connected. It is still at 60 watts. That port is supplying around 20 watts as I specified, and the second USB-C port is supplying 45 watts. Altogether 60 plus 45 plus 20 is 125 watts around, and it is taking around 150 watts. 150 minus 13 watts the inverter loss, so around 10 watts, which is pretty much decent, I would say. So 80 plus 45 is 125 watts, we would say for the simplicity's sake 15 watts is used by the inverter itself for the power station. So own conversion loss is 10 watts, which is in my opinion pretty decent and is around 10%. Yeah, then I would like to see what kind of chipset is inside so that we can know better. However, it is getting pretty warm, just only for 10 minutes of usage. Yeah, so I was able to open it. This is fixed with glue and inside some more glue. So I will take it out. Let's see what more is there. Some more glue. Yeah, no wonder the heat dissipation is not very good. However, some solid inductors for 100-watt ports. What is inside? Okay. Y1102. Yeah, but what kind of chipset is that? I don't know. It seems that the chipsets are also done with the glue. I will see. At least I will take out the one USB-C chipset and see what kind of chipset it has. So okay, so chipset is OB2736, which is an on-bright product, and it features it is an GaN FET-PD adapter module. So it is a GaN charger, GN. It has over voltage lockout, over voltage overload protection, temperature protection, over voltage protection, burnout protection, and so on. Yeah. So it seems to deliver 100 watt, which we have already seen. The second chipset is OB2733. Okay, so this seems to be solidly built, but I'm not satisfied with the heat dissipation solution, so maybe I will add some extra heat tapes and heat sink where it is required, and then it should be okay. Now, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe. Make this channel to 1000 subscribers. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.